Welcome to my next vlog. It is beginning to turn summer. It's very hot outside and we have a lot of activities outside with kids. They're trying to catch the tail. She has a little black ribbon on her and the rest of the kids need to take it. Being a child with children, that's my job. I used to think I was a champion at table tennis until I met Henny. Daily camp is a lot of fun. Oh, I can breathe again. Never mind. Nature, the environment, the planet, and children. That's what makes the Green Sun Association what it is. Full of games with friends in open air, enjoying nature, and breathtaking views. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
Mindentől fél. Igen.